My name is Nasiza Subake. I'm from South Africa.
My name is Jovan Belleghem. I'm from Victoria, British Columbia, Canada.
My name is Sohrab Yazdani. I'm coming from Argentina. I'm located in Argentina.
My name is Elias Qatar. I work as an architect and teacher and consultant in Mexico City.
Romilly Madew, Green Building Council of Australia, Chief Executive. The industry's taking this seriously. There's more products out there. That it's no longer, there's only one opportunity to get one green paint or one type of carpet. There's now a lot of variety in the products in the supply chain for green buildings.
I could not imagine going into a meeting where I'm not thinking sustainability and associating that with good production, good manufacturing.
We're finding that most of our green sustainable initiatives are from industry themselves.
In Brazil, from the government side, is really the action is really weak. I cannot say they are not interested. They actually have to deal with very important issues like poverty alleviation.
For Mexico City, I think that the biggest challenge that they face is transportation.
Whereas it used to be an add-on, now it's very much integral to the whole design process, and it starts right from the beginning, right from the idea of what the building is going to be.
I think that changing people's mindsets is probably the biggest issue.
I think what's happening is people are just seeing that these buildings are wonderful to be in. They're healthier, you have natural daylight, you feel thermally comfortable, and you're contributing positively to the environment.
We have to convince governments that if they're not investing in their building sector or not supporting their building sector to address climate change issues and move towards sustainable building, then they're losing money.
We need the government to take action, and the government need to say, we are going to be leaders in our schools. We're only going to pay for green schools when they're new or refurbished.
If we follow up on what we're doing and just going efficiently about it, I think we're just prolonging the inevitable. And really we need to turn things inside out.
We have a sense of urgency around things like climate change and our ecological and social justice problems, and you can't solve them unless you work together in an integrated fashion.
We need to make materials more lightweight, more renewable, more reusable, and I think it's no longer acceptable to say, hey, we're going to use less of something that's harmful or less of something that's inappropriate.
Having a local grading system would certainly increase the access of a broad number of industry participants.
As soon as the changes or the goals of those that are privileged change to meet sustainability goals, we would probably be in a better position than what we're in now.
I think it's no longer a matter of, we got to fix this, we did this wrong, but start looking at it in terms of ways that we can really contribute to our societies.
I'm very positive that in the upcoming 2 to 5 years we are going to have a huge transformation, at least if not in the market, but in the way people consider the built environment in Brazil.
We're going to see a paradigm shift, or we need to see a paradigm shift from the kind of idea of a green building, which is a building which has a reduced environmental impact, to buildings which have a positive environmental impact.
And I really hope, and I'm encouraging obviously all the councils around the world to expand their thinking outside of green buildings into green communities, but also more into the social component of the equation.
It has to be business, it has to be NGOs, it has to be your grandma, it has to be your nephew, it has to be everybody involved in the change.
I think the green building is as a very nice movement in the world that can change the world, and the change is depending on us.
It's amazing how quickly this movement has taken off. So the possibilities are really limitless. It's next year it will be even more so. what seems not quite possible today will absolutely be possible tomorrow.